Let's talk about OXO Good Grips Jar Opener Black. Good Grips oversize rubber handle is easy on your hands. Graduated opening fits any lid size. Stainless steel teeth grip lids firmly. Nonslip handle provides leverage to twist off difficult lids. The OXO Better Guarantee: if you experience an issue with your OXO product, get in touch with OXO to repair or replace it. OXO is grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience and will make it better. This gives considerable extra leverage, but the trick is to make sure it is properly engaged before turning, as otherwise you can end up by scoring the metal cap, which results in sharp bits. It is not difficult to make sure it is engaged, but it does require some care. Very occasionally, with extremely difficult jars, usually wide ones, I find that the problem is with the hand, which is keeping the glass body of the jar still. In those cases, I have then wrapped a little cling film round the jar to give me a better grip. I've had one of these OXO Good Grips jar openers for years, and have just ordered another for a relative. I'd say there is a bit of an act to making this gadget work every time, but for me it's never failed. With the jar stable on a flat surface, the trick is to wedge the jar's lid firmly into the shaped grip so that the teeth on one side of the V get a good grip on the lid, then just twist. For stubborn lids, I find that extending the index and middle fingers over the shape, i.e. over the lid, and applying a bit of downward pressure prevent the gadget from slipping off while twisting. As per my title, I've successfully used this to remove the smaller plastic tops off fizzy drinks bottles too. The only thing to be aware of is that the teeth do tend to leave small indentations in the lid, though that probably won't bother anyone greatly. Verdict: opens jars and bottles every time. The item description as Good Grips is a complete misnomer. It doesn't grip, it skids. It will open some jars if extreme pressure is exerted, not easy with aging hands, but it won't open bottle tops at all. Why on earth the previous OXO design was altered mystifies me. I bought this as a replacement as the old one was starting to come apart. Fortunately I hadn't thrown it away, and with super glue and woodworking clamps my husband repaired it. Everything opens easily with it, and it could last for years yet.